Niche marketing best practices. If you want to avoid failure with niche marketing, then it is essential that you follow best practices which will minimize your chances of failing. Here are the best practices that we recommend you adopt. Choose the right niche. Don't just jump in and go for any niche because it sounds sexy or you saw it recommended somewhere. You need to do your homework and make sure that the niche size is large enough and there are people willing to spend money in the niche. Don't just go for a niche that you are passionate about. There may not be a way to easily monetize, or the niche could be very small. If you do your homework and find a good niche, then you can easily become interested in the subject because you know it has the potential to make you money. Set up your niche website properly. Make sure that you base your niche website on an SEO foundation. You must do proper keyword research so you know what to base your content on and your website around. Ranking your niche market website pages in the search engines should always be your aim long term. Use WordPress and go for a quality theme. Publish high-quality content. Never post low-quality content to your niche website. It is better to not publish anything than something inferior. You need to develop likability and trust with your visitors, and your content will do this. If you don't like writing, then pay a professional writer to create your content. Drive targeted traffic to your niche website. No traffic equals no money. Once you have set up your niche website, then focus your efforts on driving targeted traffic. Use both free and paid methods to do this. You can outsource some of your traffic generation methods, but make sure that you keep a close eye on how everything is going. Build an email list. Give your visitors a reason to join your email list by offering a high-quality incentive. Then, delight them with regular emails that provide value and sometimes recommend offers. Email marketing really works and will add significant value to your niche website. Test and test again. Never be surprised if something doesn't turn out the way that you want it. You need to measure everything, and we highly recommend using Google Analytics for your niche website. When you are advertising, be sure to measure the amount of conversions that you get. Look at your landing pages and see if you can tweak them to raise the conversion levels. Sometimes, the smallest of adjustments can send your conversions soaring.